Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm going to show you how I mix and customize my nude gels. I must say I love wearing nude and sometimes I can't find the exact color on the market, so I have to customize it at home. So if you want to know or see how I customize my nude poly gel or gel, keep watching this video. So first of all, I'll prep my nails. I'll start by pushing my cuticles back a little bit. This will help give it that natural look. Next, I'll come in with my file and file the surface and the edges as well. I'll go ahead and come in with the base coat. I'll give my nails one coat each. Afterwards, I'll cure them in the UV light for about 120 seconds. Now I've got my almond shaped fake nails over here. I'll be using my base coat as glue, so I'll get the nail and come in with a little bit of my base coat. Then I will put it on my natural nails. I'll push it down into the cuticle to give it that natural look. Afterwards, I will go ahead and cure them for 60 seconds. I'll come in with my file and file the surface to get rid of, the shine. This will help the gel or the polish stick stronger. It's time to make my custom nude color. I'll get a little mixing bowl that you can get from AliExpress. They are so affordable. And I'll come in with my clear polygel. The amount depends on you. If you want more, just add more. If you want less, just take less. Next, I'll get a dark brown nail polish and just come in with a drop. It is better to use little at the beginning, and if you want it more pigmented, you can add some more. With the help of my spatula, I'll mix it up. Next, I'll come in with a lighter brown nail polish. I'll just add a drop. Go ahead and mix very well. You need to mix it very well to form that uniform mixture. So I think I want it darker, so I'll come in with a little bit more of the dark brown. Okay, so this is the final color and I love this nude. Now I want to add a little bit of shimmer to it. I'll get my golden chrome powder and come in with a pinch. I'll go ahead and mix it up very well. So here we are. This is my custom nude color and I'm really loving it. I'm ready to use this. So it's time to use it. I'll get my spatula and get a pea amount of the polygel. I'll put it on my nails. And with the help of the slip liquid, I'll go ahead and shape it up. I'll go ahead and cure the nails for about 5 seconds just to secure it in place. Then I'll go ahead and do the rest of the nails. They're all done now. I'll go ahead and give it a top coat. I'll come in with some cuticle oils to help relax my cuticles. And ladies and gentlemen, here we are. My custom made nude polygel nails are ready. And I must say, I'm really loving this nude. The little shimmer I added gave it some extra plus. And here we are. We're all done now. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you love the color? So this is it, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.